Get around waiting for the helicopter.
Here he comes. I hear him.
Yep.
You fight in a war zone, you learn to hear those helicopters. You hear them everywhere. They're either life or death, depending upon how many props they have.
Yeah.
There it is.
That's a Huey.
Look at that.
That's an Army rescue helicopter. Oh, nope, it's not Army. It's state patrol helicopter, right? State Patrol. Maryland State Police can get here faster than Pennsylvania State Police?
Well, they're using all their helicopters umbrella rescue.
Oh,
That's why it took so long for a boat to get here.
they got him.
Hey, I can give him a ride home now. I just don't know how to get across the bridge.
And the other one's out too.
Where is it?
Yeah.
He lives in E-Town.
You can,
If you're going to Mount Joy, the only way I think would be in all the way around Orchard Road.
Well, if I go back and get on 283,
Yeah.
is that open yet?
Go down past Risser Mill down to Cloverleaf. Come at it that way.
you
Mill
ain't gonna
don't
get
sound
through,
good,
you ain't get through Risser Mill.
I don't think
Wanna
I'll
get
go
through
through
Wilson
the
Mill?
mill.
That's closed off. That's why everybody's standing around here. Nobody can figure
Well,
out
you
how
can
to
go
get
down JV Hostetter's and come down 230, couldn't you?
right there at Hostetter's is flooded.
Oh man, so you're just stuck.
Yeah, that's why everybody's standing around here. Nobody can figure out how to get in around.
I have to make a very bad phone call, son. I have to call your mom and tell her she's stuck for a while.
Yeah.